Hello children, welcome back to online class. So children, in the previous class we had done the exercise of that poem Seeing Things, but this number remained on that day children. That is question number D, that is writing 1. Look at the picture and write a paragraph about it. Answer these questions in your paragraph. Here some questions has been asked related to this picture children, and we have to write one paragraph with the help of these questions. Okay, so let us start children. I have already done typed here. You just look at here. There are, first question is, how many people do you see? So with the question we can say that there are 8 people in the picture. You can count. You just take out your page number 31 from your English to textbook, page number 31. You can count children. There are 8 people in the picture. 3 of them are children. From these 8 people, 3 of them are children. This boy and this girl, 3 of them are children. A little boy is jogging on the path. You just look at your children. This boy is jogging on the path. So what are the children doing? If question had been asked like this, at first we will say a little boy is jogging on the path. Okay, perhaps with his father. With whom he is jogging children? With whom this little boy is jogging? With his father. A small dog is running beside them. With that man and his son, this small dog is running beside them. At the side of them, that small dog is also running with him. In the background, a little girl is buying something from a vendor. Look at here children. Look at here. Here picture may not be clear. You just look your textbook page number 31. So in the background, a little girl is buying something from a vendor. To the right of the path, a boy is lying on the grass and reading a book. Here the third boy who is lying on the grass and reading a book. So these 3 children were doing this type of things. Next question, what are the grown-ups doing? What are these adults doing children? We will see. A lady is also jogging while 2 adults appear to be doing yoga. So this lady is also doing yoga, means jogging, while 2 adults appear to be what? Doing yoga. Everyone looks happy and peaceful. Do you think everyone is happy? How do you know? So you can say that everyone looks happy and peaceful. So this is the paragraph related to this picture children. Okay, you do one thing children. You just write this paragraph in your English to copy, and this is the paragraph related to this picture and these questions. Okay, hope all of you got it. If you want to write it, you can pause the video button and you can write it. Okay children. So children, this is the last part of the Seeing Things poem exercise. In the next online class, we will see another new chapter from your English to textbook. Okay, that's it for today children. Have a good day.